Most people think an AI agent is just a prompt. They are wrong. A truly autonomous agent isn't prompted, it evolves. It plans, executes, iterates, and corrects its own course. In this video, we're going to build the blueprint for that level of intelligence. We are creating a multi-agent system designed to track market sentiment, scrape live data, and generate actionable reports. The problem we are solving is the brittleness of single-shot tasks. When you ask a simple script to monitor market sentiment, it usually hits a dead end after the initial scrape. It doesn't handle error states, nor does it synthesize findings. Our solution requires specialized components, a scraper agent for data acquisition, an analysis agent for sentiment scoring, and crucially, the orchestrator agent to manage the workflow. Let's start with the foundation, the scraper agent. This module handles targeted web requests, ensuring we pull clean HTML data without being blocked by rate limits. We use robust error handling here, timeouts and status code checks. If the target site is down or rate limiting us, the agent logs it and gracefully shifts to a retry queue instead of crashing. Now we introduce the analysis agent. Its job is to take raw text, say, a collection of financial news snippets, and turn it into quantified sentiment scores. We integrate a fine-tuned LLM prompt here. Instead of just asking, "Is this positive?" we instruct it to output a structured JSON object containing the sentiment score, confidence interval, and key drivers. This structured output is critical. It allows the orchestrator to treat the sentiment analysis not as a subjective opinion, but as reliable, quantifiable data points. This brings us to the brain, the orchestrator. This is where LangChain shines, acting as the mission control center that decides which agent acts next. The orchestrator maintains the state of the entire mission. It queues tasks, waits for dependencies to resolve, and handles the overall control flow. The orchestrator uses a dynamic routing mechanism. If the sentiment score is ambiguous, it doesn't jump to conclusions, instead, it generates a follow-up query for the scraper agent. This ability to self-correct and add context is the difference between a script and true artificial intelligence. It mimics human critical thinking. Finally, the synthesis step. The orchestrator aggregates all these small, high-quality data points into one cohesive narrative report. This report isn't just a dump of data, it's a narrative tailored to the user, explaining why the sentiment changed and what caused it. If you found this deep dive valuable, if you finally understand how to build systems that think, not just execute, hit like and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, what complex task should we automate next?